Hey ladies, I wanted to talk with you a little bit about the Flawless 4. 4 products that will give you a flawless porcelain-like finish, a professional movie star finish for your face. The first one is our primer. I never used a primer before until I switched to these products. This helps your makeup stay on longer. It soaks up your pores and the lines on your face, and it gives you a smooth canvas to apply your makeup. This stuff is velvety smooth. It is lightweight. I never thought I would use the primer until I used this primer, and it is phenomenal. Great product. It also helps your makeup last all day long. My makeup, after about 8 hours, still looks amazingly fresh and clean. And it's not running, and my oily skin's not like messing up my makeup. It's really cool. Next product, our concealer. Like most concealers, our concealer is not like most. It's very, very thick, and a little bit goes a long way. And you think, oh my gosh, this little tube won't get me anywhere, but I promise that it will. For me, I use the concealer once a day, 6 days a week at least, and this little tube lasts me 3 to 4 months. It's great, great, great. Our concealer is also water resistant, has a satin finish, and it covers up blemishes, scars, and even tattoos. Who would have thought? Pretty cool, huh? The third product? Yep, Photoshop in a bottle. This stuff has time-released mineral pigments. It gives you this long-lasting coverage. It's pretty awesome. Love it. And I call this Photoshop in a bottle. It goes on as a liquid and dries as a matte, just a fresh finish. And last, just for a little extra, I pop on just a little bit of powder on top of everything just to give a little extra airy light finish. These products are phenomenal. I go in public, everyone says I have great skin, which I do have to giggle to myself because I do not. I have rosacea, I have eczema, my skin is really bad. But when I go in public, because of these 4 products, people stop me and say, your skin looks so great. So I want to share this with you guys too, because this stuff is phenomenal. These products you cannot beat. They're gluten-free, soy-free, paraben-free. They're not tested on animals. Basically, instead of putting things on your face that will damage your skin in the long run, this feeds your face with vitamins and enzymes and just so many amazing things that 20 years, it will take years off of your skin. And in 20 years, you'll look younger just by putting makeup on your face that gives you a flawless finish. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So snatch up some of the Flawless 4 today. Let me know if you have any questions. I am happy to help.